Hey apples, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a avocado and honey face mask DIY. So stay tuned. The first ingredient you'll need is avocado, honey, a spoon, wooden spoon, also an iron spoon, of course some yogurt, and some jasmine oil. But I had a oil mixture, so a mixture of olive oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. So I used quarter of an avocado. Now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt, 2 drops of essential oil. However, I use a mixture of olive oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil. Next, you're gonna get down to mixing, and you want to ensure that you get a smooth paste. So part of this was cut off because I stopped and mixed it out properly. So yeah. This is what your paste should look like after mixing. Now I'm gonna use a makeup brush from MAC to apply the mask. Don't mind me right here, I was just spritzing the brush to get it damp to go in with the mask. This is the result after I finished applying the mask, and guys, it felt so good. I left it on for 30 minutes. Moving on to the benefits, honey prevents acne, fades scar, lessens fine lines, anti-aging, it deep cleans your pores, cleans skin, and heals sunburns. Plain yogurt, it shrinks and tightens the large pores, and it maintains your skin elasticity. And I can say I did realize that. Avocado moisturizes your skin, slows aging process, it soothes irritated skin, heal wounds, and protect from sunburns. So this is how my face look after the mask, guys, and I see a huge difference. My face felt way smoother. My pores were like definitely tightened. It was a big difference. I'll be definitely using this mask until it is finished. I stored it in the fridge, and yeah. And stay tuned to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, hit that subscribe button, and right beside the subscribe button hit that notification bell, you guys. And until my next video, one love.